Want to turn your profile card photo into a studio style portrait, or maybe give it a fun AI makeover? On the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the Portrait Studio feature lets you apply AI generated portrait style to selfies or photos of your dog or cat. In this tutorial, we will focus on applying a Portrait Studio style to your profile card. First, open Contact app and tap Me at the top. Next, tap your profile card to open the editing screen. Select the desired selfie from your gallery. Because Portrait Studio works only with selfies or pet, so make sure that the image shows a person, dog, or cat clearly. Now tap Portrait Studio. Here you will see for AI generated style, Studio for clean, bright, professional, Cartoon 3D for fun and animated, Fisheye lens for bold rounded effect, and oil painting for artistic and texture. Select the style you want, then tap Generate. If you are happy with the result, tap Apply. Here, if you want, you can also edit text, add extra effect, or switch to another photo. Below the preview, you can check or uncheck also use as profile picture, depending on whether you want the same image across Samsung apps. Once you are happy with the result, tap Done to save. And that's it. You have created a unique AI style portrait for your profile card using Portrait Studio on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.